Learning made fun has always been our core objective. In order to fulfill this objective, we have been working with interns and graduates and enabling them achieve their dreams and fulfill their objectives. And we're now planning to extend the same to undergraduates. That's the very reason why we have launched foundation course and several courses for undergraduates, first year, second year, third year, and including final year students. So keeping all this aside, we are launching a new WhatsApp group, PTBD Rising Stars, which is available for free to all undergraduates. We'll have some discussions every week based on your syllabus or based on your specific schedule, and we'll try to meet our core objective, learning made fun. So I welcome you all on board. All you need to do is just drop email at proudtobedentist@gmail.com. We'll send you WhatsApp group link and it's for free. You can access the group, you can participate in discussions. For now, we'll have one discussion per week, right? So it will be oriented at the university exam point of view as well as entrance point of view. So that will be our focus now, and as and when new ideas and feedback comes in, we'll definitely try to incorporate more and more sessions. Wish you all the best. Love you all.